It's me, Mackenzie. I just want to say hi, and I made a card for you. It says Merry Christmas, and then Girl Scouts, and it has some drawings. And then on the back, I wrote everybody a little letter, even Miss Carrie and Isabel, and then I drew a Christmas tree in the middle of the page, and then I wrote from Mackenzie Janelle Jones, and I drew a heart. And then in the middle, sorry, it's good. In the middle, I wrote Dear Girl Scouts and Miss Carrie, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you all get a lot of snow and go sledding and drink hot chocolate. Also, I hope you all have a great winter break and get a lot of presents from Santa Claus. Sam, I know you always do. I miss you guys so much and can't wait until I come back and visit. Last of all, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. And then right here it says from Mackenzie Janelle Jones to Girl Scouts, ho, ho, ho. And there's the Christmas card that I'm going to send you guys. Bye.